Kalamera. Welcome to our channel, where today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the top 10 destinations in Greece, a land of ancient wonders, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. From iconic historical sites to hidden gems, Greece has it all. So, let's dive right in. Our first stop is Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. Here, the Acropolis stands majestically, adorned with the Parthenon, a symbol of ancient Greece's glory. But Athens isn't just about its past. It's a vibrant metropolis with lively neighborhoods, delicious cuisine, and a buzzing nightlife. Next up, we have Santorini, a postcard-perfect island famed for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and volcanic landscapes. Whether you're strolling through the charming village of Oae or relaxing on its pristine beaches, Santorini is sure to steal your heart. Santorini, a postcard-perfect island famed for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and volcanic landscapes. Whether you're strolling through the charming village of Oae or relaxing on its pristine beaches, Santorini is sure to steal your heart. Moving on to Mykonos. Rhodes offers a perfect blend of history and relaxation. And there you have it, our list of the 10 best places to visit in Greece. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Greece is truly a traveler's paradise. So, pack your bags and embark on